Hi guys, today we're going to talk about subtracting polynomial expressions. It's a lot like adding, but there's just a little bit of a difference. And I'm going to call this 13.2/1 because it's a continuation of chapter 13, lesson 2. I miss you guys terribly in the classroom, so I'll try to make this as realistic as I can for you. Here we go. So, here I have a polynomial expression. It's in standard form going down by exponents with the constant at the end. What? How did you make it all day without a pencil? Okay, go get one from my cup, but hurry up please. Thanks. Alright, so when we added, all we did was take away the parentheses and just combine like terms. But now that we're subtracting, it's a little bit different. I can pretend there's an understood 1 up here behind the minus sign. So that means I have to distribute that -1 to every term inside here. And then I'm going to rewrite the expression. So that's 4x to the third plus 5x to the second minus 2x minus 5. Because this one didn't change. We did nothing to this one. But now that I've distributed this -1, it makes everything in here have the opposite sign. So if I distribute, that becomes a -3x to the third. A negative times a negative is a positive 4x. And a negative times a positive is a -2. Okay, so now I've rewritten it all. All I have to do is go through and combine like terms. Start with the term that has the highest exponent. So that would be to the third. Notice I underline the sign in front of it. So 4x to the third minus 3x to the third is just 1x to the third. And we don't need that 1. My next highest exponent is a positive 5x to the second. As I scan through here, I don't see another one. It's all by itself, so I'm just going to copy it down. To keep everything in standard form, now I'm going to combine the next. -2x plus 4x. Well, -2 plus 4x is just a positive 2x. And what's left? I have a -5 minus another 2. So that's -7. That's my final answer. I can't combine anymore because these are not like terms. Okay? So that's example 1. Wait, shh. Listen. Oh, she's on her buzzer bad today. What class is over there? Oh, well that explains it. All right, let's go on to the next one then. So here, same thing, I'm just going to copy down the first one because I didn't change anything. But I have this minus sign, so I'm going to distribute this -1, which makes everything in here the opposite. So that makes that a -r squared, a -6r, and a positive 1. So I'm going to go ahead and start combining like terms, starting with the highest exponent. You did what? Excuse me? You left your math binder in the gym? All right, go get it, but it's a tardy. Run. Thanks. Okay, so I'm going to start with the highest exponent. 4r squared minus 1r squared is 3r squared. My next highest exponent is a 1, so that's a -r minus another 6r, so that's a -7r. All that's left now is a positive 8 plus 1, which is a positive 9. I can't combine anymore because they're not like terms, so that's my final answer. Okay, further on in this post, you'll see your assignment, so say it with me. Name, date. Names in your head, dates on the board. Thanks, and I'll see you again soon.